What's up everyone and welcome back, welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel, the channel where you can learn Elliott Waves and Exo charts now all through the time, by the way, because for now I'm not teaching Exo charts, but maybe for the time. But anyway, so if you want to learn Elliott Wave, you're at the right place. If you want to know what to expect next and just to see what we can do in the future with the BNB coin, you're at the right place because we're going to talk about this during this video. So as always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because yes, BNB, the Binance coin, could reach possibly minimum around 1,500 if we're in some really bullish waves. Okay, I know there is moon in my name for some people, but don't worry, I shorted the Bitcoin all-time high. I'm not a moon boy at all. This is just Bitcoin on the wall. I mean the whole crypto market on the long time frame is just super bullish in my opinion. Okay, that's the only reason why. But if I have to short something, I'm going to short. Okay, so we're going to see different possible counts. Of course, there are more bullish counts and less bullish scenarios. We're going to see everything after this quick introduction. If you want to improve your trading skills, if you want to just master the chart, you're at the right place because I'm going to teach you Elliott Waves and Exo chart that are just one technical analysis extremely important in the crypto market and in the whole market clearly, and also Exo chart that is a software that is something extremely important because you're going to recognize what is behind the market, the data behind the market, so you can re-enter your trade better. I'm going to teach you all of this. You can check everything in the plan section here. Everything is here, you can just check this out. Yeah, everything is just waiting for you. A course on Elliott Wave, on Exo charts for beginners. If you do not have any base in trading, you will get a course for beginners. You will get some bonus content, some live stream every month. As a VIP, you'll get a Sunday live stream, some daily updates on Exo charts with what I'm just showing to you my daily plan, clearly what I'm expecting during the day, where I'm going to look for a buy, where I'm looking to look for a sell, for a short. Okay, some market updates in addition to that on Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, XRP, and other crypto, and for investors, my analysis on long term on a lot of cryptocurrency, as you can see here. So if you want to check this out, you just have to go on the mooncharts.fr website and you will find that in the plan section. So anyway, enjoy this technical analysis. Alright, we're good to start this video. So let's start with this. I'm going to show you wave. First of all, okay, we have some different wave count on this one. I'm going to go first of all on the log view like this, so you can really see better maybe for you the wave count. Okay, what we can see first of all, we have, so I'm gonna go on the daily time frame here. We have some possible wave 1, 2, 3, okay, 4 and 5. So this is the first move like this. Okay, so I'm going to move here. This is the first bull run we got on BNB. Okay, so what is this? This is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, typical. Okay, once we have done this, we have done another push to the upside, another move to the downside here without breaking one more time the previous low. So this is another wave 1, another wave 2. Okay, this is something extremely important. You have to understand the first bull run on the market, the first retracement next is the first wave 1, wave 2 on the market. Next we will place wave 3, 4, 5 for the time. Okay, the second bull run normally is the next wave 1, is another wave 1, another wave 2 extra, such as this one. Okay, the wave 1, 2 of course have, should not break the wave 1 route. The wave 2 sorry, should not break the wave 1 route except at the beginning of the coin, because at the beginning of the coin the RSI open higher. Okay, and of course it should not break the the wave 1, 2 cannot break the wave 1 route on the real chart, and of course on the RSI too. Okay, sometimes the RSI can be wrong, but normally it should not. For example, here is wave 1, this wave 2 here, the RSI right here should not break this wave 1 route. Okay, we have this wave 1 right here, then the wave 2 right there, and the wave 2 should not break the wave 1 route on the RSI too. Okay, so these are the two wave 1, 2 we have before here. The two first move to the upside, move down, move to the upside, move down. Okay, these are the two first wave 1, 2. Now the problem is, do we really count the wave 3, 4, 5 here at the moment? Yes, possibly. Okay, but I would say more likely no. Okay, this small wave here inside, the small push up here, small push down, for me will be more for a smaller wave count. More of it if you check on the RSI, what we have done here, we really have done this wave 1, 2. Okay, then the wave 3, then the wave 4, and then the wave 5. Wave 5 is always on the RSI, have to get normally to be valid a divergence for a wave 3 and 5. Okay, we have to get this divergence on the RSI. So the wave 3 is higher, and then we have this divergence low right here. But we have the opposite on the real chart. You can see here we have the rate 3 top here, we have a high, and we do a higher high, the opposite of what we do on the other side. So we have to get this divergence on the other side to confirm this wave 3 and 5, okay? So this is a count I have at the moment on Binance, okay? On the Binance count. So the premise, now, because we have the 5 waves, do we place that bigger wave 3, okay? Do we place that bigger wave 3 and we say that we are in a wave 4? Or do we place another big wave 1, okay, right here, and another big wave 2? So this will change a lot of for the targets, okay, because we're going to do the work with that. I'm going to remove that log scale mode, okay. I'm going to move back on the daily time frame regular view, okay. What we can see here, this can be a wave 5. This can absolutely be a wave 5 because we have 5 waves. Now these are not at all the best 5 waves I had ever seen, clearly, because I mean 1, 2, 3, or 5. It can be an expanding ending, for example. But in terms of probability, this is less likely. So first of all, this don't looks like an ending, okay, first of all. Yes, we can count 5 waves, but we really have to get a 5 waves impulsive, okay, like a wave 1, 2, boom, we have a wave 3, 4, 5, pump it up. Or we can count also a possible wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really a wedge to the upside, we take the high and dump it, okay. This is something we want to see. Here we can also now do something like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then dump it. We start with smaller wave, we expand the move, and here we go. So in that case, we do not have something like a wedge like this, but we have something that expand, okay, like this, okay. You see what I mean? So here, possibly, but it really don't looks like, okay. So that's why we'll not take this as a wave 5, okay. So to speak, for example, we have done this wave 4, or this big wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and also why this is also less likely, because the wave 5 do not break and go past the wave 3 top. So in terms of probabilities, this is called a truncated, and in terms of probabilities, this is less likely. We have less chance to do something like this. So why we will not place it like this, simply because the wave 5 is truncated, and the way inside the wave 5 we do not really have 5 waves, okay. We can count 5 waves, but these are not really 5 Elliott waves, okay, clearly 5 impulsive or an ending. So that's why we'll not really place it like this. So are we still in the wave 4? Possibly. In that case, we can look for targets for the wave 4, okay. So what can we do here? In that case, this will be more likely a WXY, okay, a W, an X, and a Y here. I'm going to add this with a gray, what the fuck, orange here. So we have the X wave cannot normally go past the W root. So to speak, we have the W, X, and Y. So the X wave cannot break the W root. Okay, this is important. Now, if you place a fib like this, we will find the next targets. As you can see here, we can add the C target or the Y target. 618 first target. Then we can look for the 100% of the extension tool. Then we can look for the 123, and then we can look for the 161 point. The prime is 161 point here. Will go, as you can see, will bring us with a negative number, will give us a negative number. So this is not possible to go below 0, okay. It's not possible to break 0, so we can remove that one. So that gives us 2 targets here to look for a possible triple wave stop. Now I let you add the confidence, all the stuff like this, to find your best target to look for a buy. I applied my targets here. I'm ready. I'm waiting for my target, just waiting to be hit, so I can buy and reload my bags. But anyway, so this will be the first probability. In that case, we have done the wave 4. Now the thing is, this is a big retracement for a wave 4. So are we really in this wave 4? Or the prime is, are we going to finish that bigger wave 3, 4, 5 later? Okay, for example, we're going to do this. Okay, we have this till the wave 3, 4, and 5. In that case, this will become really more and more bullish, because this, I can tell you, if we do a wave 1 like this, and we are in a wave 2 now, we have to do then a wave 3, 4, and 5 before to finish that wave 3, then the wave 4, then the wave 5, then the next wave 3, the wave 4 and 5. Okay, so there are some different possible counts here. Let's take the case just to give you an idea, okay, of the price we can reach if we are in this big green blue wave 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to pull the fib, the extension tool, from the wave 1 root of this blue wave, okay, to the wave 1 top and to the wave 2 bottom. Let's take the case that we're going to go to the 100% of the extension tool for the Y leg. Okay, let's take the case we're going there. Otherwise, if we stop here, we just have to bring this to push this here. Okay, to add this on the loop we're going to form, and we're going to find our target. But let's take the case that we stop on the 100% of the WXY, okay, this correction wave. If we stop here, I can tell that we're literally going to rocket, because if we're in a wave 3, this is the moment in the wave 3 where this is just super bullish. We do the craziest move to the upside, and this is where, I mean, you can see this is, for example, a wave 3. Okay, this is if we're in a wave 3 like this, you can see that the wave 3 are really the crazy moment of the market. So here, if we're in a wave 3 like this, I mean 1, 2, and we are then in a wave 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we should see. Be ready, because this is what we should see if we're in this. Okay, clearly we should see normally a wave 3 on the 161 point here. Why? Because this is the most common target. Now keep in mind, on the bigger time frame, the percent of chance for the extension is not really well respected. So we can go there, or we can go really higher. So this is normally the minimum we should reach, 161 here. Of course we can stop before on the 100% here, but in terms of probabilities we have only 2% chance to stop here. So do we really think about this? No. Okay, so this is the most common target for the wave 3 minimum, what we should reach. So this is only the wave 3. Okay, we still have the wave 4 that should retrace normally 38.2, so around the 100% here, and then the wave 5 right here with 100% normally, because this will be the most common target. If you drag it here, why not the 618? This is the first target, but why not this one? Because this will result to a double top or a truncated. This is less common, so we take the next target, so the 100% here. So as you can see here, this is the price that we should reach minimum normally with these 5 waves if we are in this configuration. One more time, it's only if we're in this configuration. I'm going to show you the other one. This is really less bullish, but still we still have some push to the upside to finish. Okay, but if we're in this, ladies and gentlemen, this is going just to absolutely rocket, so you can see really what this coin can do in the future. And if we rocket from here, this is absolutely normal, because we was in this configuration. Now, are we in this configuration or not? Only time will tell us. I cannot predict it. You cannot predict it. No one can predict that. Only time can say it clearly and can predict it. So, I mean, only time have the answer clearly. Not really can predict it, but anyway. So this will bring us like this. So in that case, we will finish after that, boom, with this wave 5, the bigger wave 3, because we have this wave. I mean, I'm going to show that. Okay, for when you have an impulse, you have the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in the wave 1 you will get another wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to turn that with small white hiding like this. In the wave 2 you have a correction wave. So here we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here we have a correction wave. Then in the wave 3 you have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in the wave 4 you have a correction wave. In the wave 5 you have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the smaller wave of an impulsive wave. So here, if we have the wave 1 of the green wave here, the wave 2, the wave 3, we have to get 5 waves. These 5 waves are the blue one. If we do a real big wave 1, big wave 2, 3, or 5. So in that case, we'll finish that big wave 3 with these 5 blue waves here. Then we should do the wave 4, so bear market clearly, because that's on bigger time frame. Then wave 3, okay, no, by the way, so you know, we should then finish the wave 5. To finish in that case, boom, we have the other wave 1, wave 2, so we have to finish this wave 3, okay. Then we should do the wave 4, and then we should do the wave 5. So this, sadly, we cannot predict it. Why we cannot predict it? Because if you now use the extension tool, okay, I've deleted some waves here. If you now use your extension tool, okay, if I place it like this, for example, if I use the exact same extension tool, for example, for this wave 1, 2, 3, okay, I'm going to place it like what I did for the bigger wave. I mean, how you place it clearly, you can see that we just went really through every single extension target. So this is just something we cannot predict it. We cannot predict yet. Okay, we really have to get the smaller wave, the smaller wave extractor to get the impulsive start of this wave 5 to predict the wave 5 targets, possible ones, extractors. For now, it's really too early. So that's why if we now go on the first target here, okay, you stop on the first target. Of course, we can also stop on the second target or stop here. By the way, there will be a truncated white leg. This is possible, but really less common. Okay, so now if we go to the next target, this will be what. I mean, this is what we can predict now. Okay. The other stuff is, why would you add a bigger wave 1, a bigger wave 2 here if you already have, okay, I'm just going to hide this really quickly, if you already have the 5 waves inside the wave 3, because here you already have 5 waves to the upside. So why would you add a bigger wave 1, a bigger wave 2 here if you can already be done with the wave 3 here? So as you can see now, this will become less and less bullish, but this is still possible. So in that case, this wave 4, we will get this double XY inside this wave 4, so this will be wave 4 targets. As always, a wave 4 on the RSI normally should not break the wave 2, okay, can go on the RSI between the wave 1 and the wave 2, okay. On the real chart, of course, it cannot break and go past the wave 1 top. This is not possible, okay. So now this will be the target of the wave 4. Okay, we can look for the wave 4. Now, are we in the wave 4? In the wave 4, only time will tell us, as I said. The problem is now, as you can see, if we place one more time the extension tool right there, we cannot predict the wave 4, I mean the wave 5, because the extension tool is not working, because we did some really crazy extensions, so we cannot predict it yet. So that's why if we're in this wave 5, next we cannot predict the price because the extension tool is not working. So that's why we really have here to finish the Y leg and then to move, to start to get the move to the upside, to get the first impulsive, the retracement, and here we are going to be able to predict the next with the wave 3, 4, 5 targets, but for now this is just too early. Okay, it was just to really give you an idea of if we are really super bullish, and if we're in this wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, the different price we could reach on the Binance coin, clearly. Okay, so now are in this wave 4, 5 like this. So in that case, after this, boom, bigger wave 3, bigger wave 4, bigger wave 5, and surprise, what are we going to do next? Boom, bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, and bear market for years. Okay, for years and for years and for years. It's maybe not going to be in 10 years, maybe in 20 years, I don't know, maybe in 5 years, maybe we're going to do it really quickly, I don't know, only time will tell us, and anytime have the answer. Okay, so anyway, as always, if you enjoy this content, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're bullish on BNB, let me know the price in the comment section down below. Don't forget to turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel. I don't know if I remember I say that, to check out the website if you want to get some more and more targets, such as, for example, on the Binance coin, on a lot of cryptocurrencies, such as AVAX, Cardano, Matic, XRP, a lot of crypto. I mean, so much. XLM, Doge, for example, Sol, Luna, Sushi, Fiel, etc. There's some really crazy amount of crypto. This is the exact same what I'm doing clearly, and I'm just planning all of my targets all the way down to buy every single asset. So if you want to check this out, it's all on the website on a lot of cryptocurrencies. So anyway, I let you plan your targets for the buy now, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Take care of you, it's important, and see you in another one. Cheers.